Hello Internet, I'm Matt Haas and this is Awesome Wood Things. Welcome to another episode of WTV, Woodworking Top Videos. Okay, for those who are watching the calendar, you may have noticed it's taken me a little bit longer to get this video out. Well, I had a big web development client come in with some urgent mission critical stuff, so I had to jump on that. You know, sometimes life gets in the way. But I'm back, let's get going. We will start things off with a What's Up with Awesome Wood Things segment. I recently published a video where I built a glowing LED shelf to highlight a liquor bottle and some memorabilia I picked up at a casino in Vegas. It was a lot of fun to make. And I had a mistake that I left in the video and I showed how I corrected it, and that seemed to resonate very well. Check it out. Links to that video and everything mentioned here is in the description as always. This next segment is something I don't have a name for. If you can think of a good name after seeing this segment, leave it in the comments, and if I pick you, I'll give you credit on the next show. Another YouTube maker, Pat Lapp from the Le Pic Bois channel, has a contest. And if you use his logo in a YouTube video about something that inspires you, you're entered into the contest and the winner gets a trip to Canada to eat poutine with Pat Lapp. That's right, the artery clogging dish called poutine. Crazy stuff. So if you want to enter that contest, the rules are in a PDF, link is in the description. Before we get into the clip portion of the show, we'll have a rapid fire section. That's where I quickly talk about videos because of production issues related with the show. All these makers are still equally awesome. All right, I like to make stuff that had a water cannon video, and it was so cool. Bob Claggett was in the previous Woodworking Top videos, but you know, it was just so cool. You have to check it out. There's another video from this person. I can't pronounce it, but a gripper was made from scratch, and it was quite awesome. You'll have to check that out. World of Woodcraft did a wooden Easter egg. I know it's a little late for the Easter stuff, but it is pretty cool. Check that one out. Jocko Whatever made a holder for some of his milling machine collets, and again, always good stuff on his channel. I tend to like the smaller projects. They just, I don't know, very cool. And finally, Elm City Vintage had these shovels, and he made the shovels into skulls, and he was using the shovels before the video, and he used the shovels after he made the skulls out of them, and they still work. But they're just a bit more awesome. Skulls. Very cool stuff. This next segment is WTF. What the frick? That's when something's just so crazy and so awesome, it just has to find its way into the show. This video is from Tommy G Workshop, and he has a Pancakebot StarWars themed video, and it's sort of like a CNC machine. It's a computer-controlled pancake maker. I know. It's like, how does something like that even happen? Are people sitting around the boardroom table like, let's make a machine that can make pancakes and cool designs that's computer-controlled? Yeah, that's a good idea. Let's throw some money at that. Apparently, something similar actually happened, and this thing made it to market. Check out that video. It's crazy.
Never gonna stop. No. Yeah. I ain't never gonna stop now, baby. Never gonna stop now, baby. Yeah. No. Never gonna stop now, baby. Never gonna stop now, baby.
The first featured video comes in at number 4. It's from Chris Martin, Banksia Pod Bottle Stopper. This thing is pretty cool. Check it out.
Just going to rough it around, true it up, and then we're going to cut it in half. So I want to get two stoppers out of this. Okay, now we're just going to part it off. So we're just going to get this puppy fired up.
Wasn't that cool? I love unique stuff like that. So, so good. Okay, this next video comes in at number 3, and it was actually on 2 different channels. It's a DiResta video. No, not Jimmy DiResta. It was on Matt DiResta's channel featuring John DiResta's content. John DiResta made a video called Woodshop. He has a series called Woodshop. This is the 4th episode, and it's Woodshop with John DiResta. Wassup Fugger. John is also a comedian. I don't know. This video is awesome for many reasons. Check it out. You'll agree.
Oh, here we go. Nice and tight. What's up, fucker? Welcome to Woodshop with John DiResta. I'm back, and I just bet my cameraman and son $100 that poplar is considered a hardwood. He thinks it's a softwood. The only softwood in this area is in my underwears. What's up, fucker? I'm back. It's basically a little knife holder, but maybe we'll learn a few tips along the way. Welcome back. Woodshop with John DiResta. Thank you. $1 poplar hardwood. Right now we're going to release our clamps and run this guy through the planer because it has to be a tiny bit thinner. But I have a $100 bet with my cameraman that, here we go, poplar is the softest of the hardwoods. Here we go. Any smell better in the world than fresh cut walnut? Maybe pizza and pot. Come on, Bobby. Ginsu knives. You can slice it, you can dice it. This is what Caitlin Jenner needs. She's going to go to that Russian doctor in Encino, Dr. Kachikakov. What's up, fucker? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. 1, 2. Ooh, ouch. You didn't see that. That one wants to hang down.
His knives are way bigger.
The guy who I'm making this for, his knives are way bigger. But there you go. That's how you make a nice black and white Obama knife block. Look at that. Yo.
Oh, I just think that video was so much fun. Take a look at the back catalog of Woodshop with John DiResta. A lot of good stuff there. Oh, and I love that humor. What is it? New York, Brooklyn, or something? It's like, thank you. I just think he's such a funny guy, and he's got some woodworking skills too. I know he kind of plays it off, but he's a skilled craftsman. Really he is. Okay, keeping it going. Number 2. This is Waylight Creations. They used to be in the up-and-comer segment, but a lot more subscribers have hit their channel. I love it when channels grow like that. They have a huge back catalog of fun stuff. This is Make a Wonder Woman Emblem Justice League. And they also did a Superman and Batman emblem. But here's the Wonder Woman build. Check it out.
Hey guys, we did Superman and we did Batman, and now we're gonna do Wonder Woman.
What a cool project. Again, go check out the other videos in that series and you can see more Justice League type logos done. So good. And the scroll saw. I think people underestimate the scroll saw. That thing is an amazing tool. I've seen so many cool things made with that. I just love it. Love it. All right, number 1. This is Keith Decent, a decent project from Saws to Tray. Check it out.
Look at this.
You know you caught my eye. I know it's just a show. When will we meet again? I don't know. You are Fox's siren. You are a fatal blow. You're in my head again, back again. Hell no. It's just a better feeling, it's just better raw. When it gets waist deep, hell no. It's just a new sensation, it's just a subtle glow. When will we meet again? Can't get it, can't get it, can't get it. Can't get it, gotta get it good.
What a creative project and what a unique project. I love that. All right, Internet, that's another WTV. Now, I know I missed some videos, so be sure and hit me up on social media and let me know which ones I missed and which new videos I could feature. If you want your sticker on the rotating big board, send it on in. Thanks, Internet.